Alright, I don't know if this is the last video, whatever. How Farms Work Farm Day. I'm here with One Lonely Farmer, Wes Pandy. Wes, what do you think of the farm day this year compared to last year?
A little more organized than last year. It went smoother. I'm not as hoarse as I was last year. I don't have as much sunburn as I had last year, which is a good thing. And I just think it came down to the organization. What they learned last year, they applied it this year, and things went a lot better. So, yeah, definitely as good or a better experience. And I didn't get to jump in the bounce house, and he took it, I think. I think it's gone. Is it gone?
The bounce house is gone.
It's gone. God damn it. Anyway. But yeah, I missed the bounce house.
Yeah.
But I did get something to eat, which is good. Now, the farm day was great. It was very good.
Try to think what else I've done with everyone else. I mean, they've talked about what they've done, and people want to find you. Where can they find you at? What social media platforms are you on now?
Just mostly YouTube, Instagram. You see me on Instagram. I do not do Snapchat. I did for a while. It's just too much of a pain in the ass. Facebook, you can go to my Facebook page. I do not friend anybody on Facebook, but you can see what I'm up to, which isn't much. You know, I just really don't post too much there. So it's Instagram or YouTube.
All right, well, thanks, Wes, for taking the time quick to talk to me, and I always enjoy your videos. And
well, thanks for that.
So
It's been fun.
it has been. Thanks, Wes.
All right, good.